home a Specdrums Technology Kit, you're going to take home one of these boxes, inside of which you will find the What's in the Box Getting Started Guide. It will talk to you all about what spectrums are and how to connect them to your Apple or Android devices. We also have one of our emerging technology surveys, and we kindly ask that you fill this out to help us get more funding for awesome kits and programs like our Specdrums. So inside the box, here comes the fun stuff. I'm going to scoot this box to the side a little bit. We've got our color play mat, a pack of crayons for you to draw your own instruments with, a charger that will charge 2 Spectrum rings. You will get 7 different activity card packs, and then the stars of the show, 2 Spectrum rings. Now, once you take all of these items home, you have 2 options for apps to use with your Spectrums. Okay, so you have 2 app options for playing with your Spectrums. There's Specdrums EDU, which allows you to scan pre-created projects, create your own projects, and then look at the ones you have. So I have already hit connect up here and connected a Bluetooth Spectrum to it. And then I'm gonna create a project. Gonna choose a sound pack, name it, and hit create. So when you do this, you get an awesome variety of sounds that are already assigned to colors. So when you use your Spectrum, so you can do sound effects, you can change it for music packs, you can go ahead and record your own sounds if you'd like to. So Spectrum EDU is an awesome program for you to use. Or you can use, on both Apple and Android devices, we have Spectrums Mix. Now this program is this app is much more like music based. It'll let you set up loops. As well as cool sound effects. And if you want to, you can record your music. And it'll give you options for that. Or you can go ahead and change out what the instruments are by checking the library for cool new sound packs to go on your Spectrums Mix app. Make some sweet, funky, fresh beats with. All right. So, and then when you are using your Spectrums, these little shiny lights here, you aim them down towards the colors that you are gonna tap. Spectrums! If you would like to test out these cool tech toys, get to play with our program cards or create some programs of your own, go ahead and check these items out through the University City Public Library. Thank you so much. This has been our Specdrums Technology Kit walkthrough.